and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a short one, and it's just going to be part of my day. So we are actually doing the land behind the scenes tour. We've got our little lanyards, we're tour guest seats. That's what it says. And I've never done this before, and I already talked to the tour guide. She's okay if I take you guys along with me. I'm excited to show it to you guys. If you want to buy tickets, you can buy them before you come to the parks online, or you can buy them if they're available at the table right next to the exit of Living with the Land. The backstage tour is based off the ride, so you get to get a tour of the greenhouse, get to ask questions, get to learn things about the ride and just basically all of that fun stuff. And it's only $35 a person, so actually not too bad for a Disney experience, so a little add-on. And yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think it runs about an hour, and it'll be super educational, so I want to share as much as I can with you guys. And if you guys are little nerds about propagating and plants like I am, then I think it's something you enjoy. But let's see if it's actually as exciting and as fun as it seems.
I personally
Okay, so we just got out of the Living with the Land Behind the Scenes tour. And first of all, I would like to shout out our tour guide, Abby. She was amazing. She was so sweet, so funny. Really enjoyed our time with her. Second, it is a very informative tour. I obviously threw in clips before this, but I didn't want to like give it all away, so you guys can go and experience it yourself. I found out some like really cool facts. Probably my favorite is that a banana is considered an herb, a botanical herb, and I did not know that, and that was really cool. And there was other fun experiences, like we got to like feed the tilapia and we got to try cucumbers and stuff like that, like straight from there. So it's really informative. It was really worth it. I would definitely do it again. I think it's such a cute experience, and like I said, our tour guide made it better. And it was just so, like, in general, just so much information, and information you could take home and use too in like your own garden and like just helping with conservation. So I 10 out of 10 recommend this tour. And I know this video is really short, but thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.